Yeah. Yesterday we have homework, right? Yesterday we had homework. Let me see your homework. We are on page 257. حالي الآخر واحد عبد الرحمن عمر حسين 257 حللها بسرعة 257 حللها ليش حللها؟ كان عندك اختبارين؟ كان عندك اختبارين يا عمر ولا بس عبد الستار؟ طيب ماشي. انت كان عندك ميك اب؟ طيب حلل. مراد تميم yeah check your answers with me. We are on page 257. Page 257 homework. خليك معي الله يسعدك حبيبي انت. يلا question 1 find the additive inverse. We said we multiply by -1. Question 1 the additive inverse equal negative 3x plus 6. Question 2 9x minus 3. Question 3 4x plus 8. Question 4 2x plus 11. Question 5 2x plus 1. Question 6 x minus 8. Question 7 negative 8x negative 9. Question 8 negative 3x negative 5. Question 9 4 over 15x plus 7 over 8. Question 10 negative 7 over 10x minus half. Question 11 negative half x minus third 1 over 3. Question 12 1 over 4x plus 9 over 10. Okay. Question 13. Question 13 we have table bobcats 2x minus 7, right? Or huskies 5x minus 3. The question said how many more points did the huskies score than the bobcats, right? How many more means we do subtraction. Check. The huskies how much? 5x minus 3 minus the bobcats which is 2x minus 7. 5x minus 3 we said we distribute the minus, right? صح? Now 5x minus 2x 3x negative 3 plus 7 points. This is question 13. Why we did huskies minus bobcats, not bobcats minus huskies? Because the question said how many more huskies than يعني الهاسكس بيكون بالأول. Got it? فهمنا؟ فهمنا. طيب. يلا check your answers please. ها done. We got our lesson. Yeah. So we have a new lesson now, module 5, lesson 4. So we are in lesson 4, module 5, page 259. Factor linear expressions. Factor linear ايش expressions. We are in 20 October. Ready? Ready? ايش تعمل؟ ايش تعمل؟ افتح كتابك، ايش تعمل؟ وين ليش فاتح اخر شيء؟ ما ركز، يلا ريد يا نجم. A monomial. لحظة من أول يلا. بس a number شو حط لنا؟ comma, right? A monomial is a number, comma variable, comma product. كمل. Variable or a product of a number and one or more variables. بس. What's the monomial? Close your camera يا ابني. A number. يعني the monomial can be a number لحاله صح؟ or a what? A variable. يعني can be variable لحاله x لحاله y لحاله monomial or product. شو يعني product؟ multiplication مش هيك؟ or product of a number and a variable. هي شو يعني؟ one or more than one variable. اوكي؟ طيب نركز شوي. example. A monomial can be a number. So 7 لحالها هيك is what? Monomial. Or a variable. So K لحالها هيك monomial. Or a product of a number and one variable. Like مثلا 5x. monomial مش product multiply. ما قال addition أو subtraction أو division. شو حكى؟ product. Product means or not only one variable, product of a number with one variable or more than, like 9 tk. كم variable هون؟ t و k بس multiplied by 9, right? So all of these what you see here هذول كلهم شو بنسميهم؟ monomials. شو بنسميهم؟ okay. طيب for example ال 5x هذه لو حكيت 5 plus x, is this monomial? If this monomial عصام? No, it's not monomial because we have addition. ال 5 لحالها شو بنسميها؟ وال x لحالها. So we have two monomials here. Got it? So here it is not monomial. Yes. تعطيني example. Contain monomials but it's not one monomial. يعني هذا مش monomial. هذا كم monomial? Two monomials. Got it? فهمنا المونوميال؟ Now we have table in front of you at the first page. Our boxes, two boxes. We have algebraic expressions up and down. We need to classify them for monomials and not monomials. Okay? Yeah, let's do them together. Exactly. Yeah. So I'm on page 259 still. So we have negative 12, 60x, 3 over 4x minus 7, negative 2 over 3x, negative 6x plus half, right? وداون معطيني two هيك two boxes كاتب لي هذا monomial هون not monomials. Let's classify them. لا هيك. Why? You asked why? Huh? You asked why? يا تميم يا شاطر. يلا يا تميم. Negative 12. طبعا هون حط لنا two examples. 25. Is this monomial? Yes. Number. In the definition, Najim said a number, comma, a variable, comma, a product of a number and one variable, a product of a number or more than one variable. So 25 a number, is it monomial? Yes. That's why the book put it here. Up 2x monomial. طب how about negative 12 هذه monomial ولا لا؟ monomial. طيب 60x monomial. 3 هذا بتحطه هون. هذا monomial multiply صح؟ So negative 2 over 3 x monomial. Last one. Yes. Here we have two monomials. اتفقنا؟ اتفقنا. So this is the monomial when not monomial. فهمنا المونوميال؟ Good. Now we have another idea. Another idea. ايش اخذناه زمان اسمه GCF. طب let's remember the GCF for numbers. Remember? يلا let's remember. Greatest. يلا remember هذا اخذناه. Greatest common factor. And if you remember, we use the greatest common factor to make simplest form, صح؟ طيب how we find the greatest common factor for 18 and 24? We take the 18 and we make it 3, remember? 18, 6 by 3 or 9 by 2. We choose any two. Is 6, 2 by 3, مش هيك؟ Can we do more for the 2? For the 3? No. Primes we call them. Remember the 3-way? Right. How about the 24? 8 by 3, right? 2 by 4, right? 2 by 2. We cannot do more for the 3 and the 2, right? The next step, we write them. The next step, خلاص, do we need this table? No. Yeah. The next step, we said the 18 equal the product of the circled numbers, مش هيك? 2 times 3 times 3. The 24 equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, right? Remember this? Now the last step is to find mean, the greatest. يلا, we said طبعا we select what? The common factors, we call them. Do we have other common? No. So here the GCF equal, from each group we take one factor. So this is 2 multiply 3. So the GCF is what? 6. We took this idea before, and we took similar idea, least common multiple, if you remember. But we will focus about the greatest common factor. What's the difference here? We'll find the greatest common factor, not for numbers, for algebraic. Yeah. But we will follow the similar idea. For example, example 1. نركز شوي. Yeah. Example 1. Find the greatest common factor of what? 12y and حلو. يلا خلي قلمك على الارض وانتبه على البورد. افهم. So here I have two expressions. I need to find the greatest common factor. طب why? ايش بدنا فيه؟ What's the title of your ركز بالله شوي معلش نفهم. What's the title of your lesson? Factor linear expression. I will use the greatest common factor to make what? Factoring. What's the meaning of factoring? To simplify something to be small things. Like the 6. How we factor 6? 2 multiply. How we factor 15? 3 multiply. So we have factoring for the linear expression also. Now, as we use the greatest common factor of numbers to make simplest form in the fractions, we will use the greatest common factor for the algebraic expressions to make what? So today we will find the greatest common factor. Tomorrow we will use the greatest common factor to make factoring. Okay? So let's find the greatest common factor now. How we find it? We go to the 30y and put equal, and we go to the 12y and put equal. في مشكلة؟ And we will take the 30 and make it 3-way for it. And we will take the 12 and we will make it 3-way for it. This 3-way, it is not a step from our solution. So we will do it by side, then كبها بزبالة ما بتهمنا. Okay? يلا ال 30 أو 10 by 3. Both gives the same answer. خلاص؟ ال 3 can we do more? 3 by 1, but we don't use 1. It's a prime. A 10, a 5, a 2, leave it, come here. 4 by 3, 2 by 2, right? But come back here. Now, 30, it is 2 multiply 5, multiply, not the 10, the product of the circled numbers, okay? So here 2. And I will use dot in place of the multiplication. Why? Because in place of y, maybe we'll have x. So we won't be confused between x and the multiplication table, the multiplication sign, sorry. So here, I will use the dot as multiplication. خلاص؟ يلا. 30 هي 2 multiply 5 multiply 3. 2 multiply 5 multiply 3. يعني 2 multiply 5 multiply 3 multiply الواي مش 30y. شوفي بينهم multiply. طيب 12y 2 by 2 by 2 times 2 times 3 times خلاص. As we did in the numbers, we will do here. I will select the common. صح؟ Common means up and down at the same time, right? Now the GCF, from each common group I will take from هذول ناخذ واحدة multiply، من هذول ناخذ واحدة ومن هذول ناخذ واحدة. 2 multiply 3 multiply y. So 6y is the greatest common factor of these two expressions. 12y and 30y. No, we cannot. Do you understand this? Done. Done. طب another example about this idea معلش. What? اسأل. كيف يعني 4 and 4 by 2 equal 12؟ مالك. You can write 6 by 2 or 4 by 3 timetable يعني. ماشي؟ But can we write it 12 by 1? لا ما استفدناش شيء. ال 12 is not prime. ماشي بنمشيها 1 is prime. Okay. I'll give you another example before the check, because this idea is very important. If you understand this idea very well, the lesson of tomorrow will be easy for you. Okay? Right. Find example. You can copy it. It's not solved in your book. Okay? You can copy it. Find the greatest common factor for. Huh? Where is this? No, I'm talking about extra example. Yeah. 25x and 30xy. Okay? Two algebraic expressions, right? Is this monomial? Yes. Is this monomial? Yes. Right? We have two monomials and we're going to find the GCF. Right. Yeah. We start with 25x and we put equal 30xy and we put equal. Okay? Done? Now we'll go by side and take 25 and make it 3, 30 and make what? 3. 25, that's right? We cannot do more. 35, 2 by 3. I'm back here. 25x, 5. Multiply 5, multiply x, right? 30xy, 2 by 3 by 5 by x by y. مش هيك؟ تنساش الواي. Now let's make groups. 5 with 5, x with x. Do we have else common? No. So the GCF from each common group take one. من هذه بناخذ واحدة ومن هذه بناخذ واحدة. 5 times x. So the GCF is what? 5x. Copy it, please. Copy this example. You can copy it on the spaces here beside. Here you have spaces to copy notes, right? You can copy it here. يلا بسرعة. Now we'll do the check after you finish. Done writing? Done. Now let's go to the check after example 1. And let's solve it together. Do it in your book if you like. We did example 1 يا زلمه. وشو هذا؟ مين اللي بيحكي؟ ركان، ركز. هذا ايش مكتوب عليه؟ ايش؟ اوكي يلا. Let's go to what? To the check after example 1. يلا. Check after example 1. We are on page 260. Find the greatest common factor for 24a إذا أنا عارف 24a and 32a. Okay? But I want you to do it by yourself. Go. Don't say the answer. Do it by yourself. Quickly. I will give you 2 minutes. يلا. You did it? Wait. Yeah. Let me see the good boys. Don't say the answer. Let your friend do it. Ah. بسرعة بس. ها تمام صح. Yeah, let's do it. 8a. Now we said we write 24a but equal and 32a and put what? Equal. And I will take 24 and make it 3, 32 and make what? 3. 24, 12 by 2. Some of you choose 6 by 4. Others choose 8 by 3, right? All of them gives the same answer. Yeah. So 12 by 2, the 12, 6 by 2, the 6, and these twos, we cannot do more, right? 32, 8 by 4, 2 by 4, 2 by 2, or 2 by 2 تنساش. Right? Now we'll go to our monomials here. 24a, 3 by 2 by 2 by 2 by a. صح? 3 by 2 by 2 by 2 by a. 32a equal 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, 5 twos. 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by a, right? Now we select the common factors. ها عندنا 2 و2 و2 و8 صح؟ From each common now to find the GCF, from each common we take one number. The first one, 2. Second one, 2. Third one, 2. و8. 2 by 2 by 2, 8. So the GCF is what? Same answer, sure. احنا بنلعب يا زلمه. Done. Done. لا. يلا. Example 2. Done this one. The check كتبناه. كاتب. يلا. Example 2. Read يا حسين. Which page أول؟ يلا read. علي لي صوتك. Factorization. Prime factorization. This thing here هذه التري ونحط النمبرز هنا ايش اسمه؟ Prime factorization. اخذناه زمان صح؟ يلا كم؟ 18 and 20 A B. يلا بنحط 18 A بنحط equal و 20 A B وبنحط equal صح؟ بنروح ناخذ ال 18 نعمل 3 وال 20 وبنعمل 3. ال 18 ايش اللي 2 و 3 يا زلمه؟ كيف يعني 2 باي 3 equal 18؟ ما بزبط الشيء مستر والله ما بزبط. ال 9 3 by 3 and all are circle. ال 20 10 by 2 with 10 5 by 2, or you can say 4 by 5 from the first. Now you go back here and put your numbers. 18A 3 by 3 by 3 by 3 by 2 تنساش ال A. 20AB 5 by 2 by 2 by A by B, right? Yeah. Now we select the common. And the 1 2 right? في كمان 1A, right? Do you have others? 3 or 5 or B. So here the GCF will be do we need this؟ هذا 3 where do we need it؟ No. خلاص اخذنا اللي بدنا اياه. Today no. Tomorrow ان شاء الله. Okay. This is example 2. Let's do the check. يلا. See, we have check after example 2. Do it by yourself. روح. يلا do the check below example 2 please. طيب طيب اهدى. Rakan will tell me the answer after he finish. نطول. طول يا ركان. ها يلا 42 is what؟ ايوه حلو وال6 good. يلا اكتب النمبرز. طول يلا hands down guys. يعني نجم وعصام كمان شوي بدهم يفوتوا بالكتاب. تركوا الزلمه يحل بحاله يا زلمه. ها 14y 14y right صح. ها ولا انت جلطني. ابعد هيك شوي. يلا ها لا يا تركوا ايش؟ مش انت عملت ال 42 طلعت معك 2 باي 3 باي 7 رايت؟ تمام. وال 14 2 باي 7 رايت؟ حلو. ايش الكومن؟ ال 2 والايش؟ 2 باي 7